namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. Okay, if you're new here, if you like my content, support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for supporting me, for liking my content. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So today's pick a card reading is about what are the messages from divine. So what do you need to know right now? That is going to be the reading for today. So remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. So yeah, so I have three groups over here. For group number one, this is the red gift box. For group number two, this is the green gift box, and for group number three, this is the blue gift box. So close your eyes, relax and connect with yourself, and choose a gift box that calls to you intuitively, and the timestamps will be in the description box. Okay, so if you want more time, please pause the video. I'll see you with group one. Group number one, if you choose this red gift box, then let's see what is your message from the divine. So let's call upon spirit guides, angels, archangels to guide me in this reading. So let's see what is your message for my group number one. What is the message for group number one viewers? What they need to know right now, divine. With this red color, lot of motivation is coming your back. Your energy is coming back. If you're feeling very low, very exhausted, very tired, you will be back, guys. Your energy is going to be back. Okay, so a lot of passion is there, so follow your passion, follow your bliss. Okay, what else? Yeah, resilience. Keep yeah, right now I felt like that you have been feeling very demotivated, so your divine wants you to know that keep on moving, keep on moving. You need to be resilient right now, but you will get there. You will be able to achieve all your goals with this 2 + 1 3 number. 3 number is all about growth, creation, creative things. If you're lot of, I'm getting this growing pains I'm getting for you guys. You're working and you want to achieve that goal, right? So don't be in a hurry, keep on working with self-determination, with resilience. You will be able to achieve your goals. That is what divine wants me to tell you. Okay, so that is the message. Be self-disciplined, you will be able to achieve all your goals. Trust in yourself, trust in universe. You're growing, you're evolving. So yeah, sometimes it's difficult, for example, if you're trying to lose weight, you have a goal weight, right? And you have to get up every morning, you have to look after your diet, you have to exercise, and it's difficult sometimes, right? It is painful sometimes, but if you make it, in your mind, yes, I will be able to do it, yes, I will do this, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So that is what your divine wants me to tell to you guys. That is your message. Discipline. Be disciplined, keep on working on your goals, you will achieve it. That's it. If you give up, then no, right? Yeah, you're very, very protected. Look at that. Lot of protection. Green Tara, supreme protection. Your protected course that been cut, move beyond limitation, trust. All you need to do is trust. Everything is working in your favor, even though sometimes we don't feel like that, but it is definitely working in your favor. Just set your goals, keep on working towards it. You are very, very protected, and what is yours. No one will take it. Okay, keep on following your path in your career, in your studies, in your love life. Just keep on moving forward. Believe in yourself, trust in the divine, and everything will be in your favor. But yes, you have to be determined. You have to take care of yourself, right? You have to nurture yourself. You have to love yourself more, and keep on working on your goals. You will achieve it. So you will have the energy. Right now I feel for this pile is little bit demotivated. You will get your motivation back, and remember, you are protected from the divine. I feel for this pile, your ancestors are with you. They are guiding you. They are showing you signs and symbols. You might be seeing a lot of symbols, you might be seeing a lot of numbers, but definitely a lot of protection is there for you guys. And if you want the green Tara mantra, you can chant that. That will be very beneficial for you guys. I feel like that. Look at this, there's, I feel a lot of growth is happening for you guys here. Look at the flowers, the green color. A lot of growth is happening for you guys, and for some of you, your vision is very clear, where you're going. So yeah, sometimes we feel like giving up. Don't give up, because you will reach your goals. Okay, your vision is very clear. Sometimes you become very sad, why this is not happening. You might have worked, sometimes we work hard and we don't get the results, right? And you will be like, why this is happening for me? You will get your answers, and getting whatever your questions are, ask. Connect with yourself more. Look into mirror and ask something, ask yourself. You will get it. Connect with yourself more, connect with your intuition more, connect with your higher self more. You will get your answers, I'm getting here. Yeah, a lot of stress energy, lot of, maybe for some of you, comparing yourself to other people. Maybe you are comparing your relationship to other people, you're comparing your work life to other people. Maybe you're going in Instagram and looking at other people's life, and you're thinking that your life is not good. Don't do that. Don't compare. Don't. Or maybe you're very fearful of competition or something like that. Don't be fearful. If you're resilient, if you're self-determined, you will be able to achieve your goals. Rest, give it to the universe. All your extra thoughts, that negative thoughts, give it to the universe, because you're so protected. Or give it to the green Tara, because green Tara is helping you here. She is protecting you. Okay, so these thoughts, yeah, they're telling, green Tara is saying, I feel the energy of green Tara very strong here, and she's saying that go with the flow. Your divine wants you to know that is, go with the flow. Don't stress too much. Yeah, look at this totality. You're like, these people are like flying from one place to one, and this person is flowing so freely, right? They don't know where they are going, like they, because like that, I feel for you guys also. You're like that. What you don't know what to do. You're like, one time you will be thinking about this, and the second time you will be thinking about that, and then you will be stressing. Instead of stressing, what you have to do right now is to keep on working on your goals, keep on improving yourself. And if you want to change some habits of yours, change it and go with the flow. All you need to do is that. Don't be so caught up on the timing. Everything will happen in the divine timing only. So for some of you, like, when this will happen, when will I get this goal, when I'll achieve this success, when I'll have a perfect relationship. No. And this is this five of wands energy, where you're stressing too much, thinking about too much. Like, maybe you're fearful of competition. Maybe you're like, oh, so many people are writing the same exam, how I will be able to pass, how I will get this job. No, what you have to do right now is to give all that thoughts to the universe and flow, and just keep on moving, and just focus on your own goals, and be resilient. And with resilience, with self-determination, then you will be able to achieve success. Then no one can take your success. Okay, so instead of wasting your time on these kind of thoughts, just put that energy onto your work, okay, onto your relationship, whatever it is, whatever situation it is, right? What else for group number 1? Look, honor of the Asian king. You're the lion, guys. You're the lion. You don't know your own power. So your divine wants you to know that with discipline, with your work, with your focus, you will be able to achieve anything you desire to achieve. You are the lion. You're the king of the jungle. You're not a sheep. Okay, don't think that you're meant to do what other people are doing. You're meant to live a unique life. I'm getting here with this 22 number, 21, 22. You're progressing in your life. 3 plus 3, 4, right? You will be very stable. You will be very secure. So all you need to know is to trust your own power. You're the lion. Remember that you're unique. You're not meant to go with the crowd. Don't compare yourself to other people. Okay, because lion will not do that, right? So you are the lion, so you don't have to do that. So just focus on yourself, on your goals. Take care of yourself. Okay, be kind, be more compassionate, follow your passion, keep on moving forward, and keep all that thoughts that is not good for you to the divine. Let them take care of that thoughts. Okay, and whenever you feel very, 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 very stressed, connect with yourself, connect with your higher self. That is what I'm getting. You need to connect more with your higher self. Okay, you have this you have a lot of wisdom, but at the same time you don't connect with that. Maybe you don't meditate often, or maybe you should have a meditation practice. Okay, or even if you don't meditate, if you don't like meditation, go out, just have fun. Okay, so if you're doing something, if you have been working on a goal and you feel like you need some break, take a break. Don't be afraid to take break. You will not be back. Okay, even if you take one day break, you're not going to be back. You will have it. Okay, you can make it. So just believe in yourself, keep moving forward, go with the flow, and remember you're the lion. All you need to do is to remember you're the lion. You're very courageous people. You can pass, you can move away from any obstacles in your life. Okay, so that is what I have for you guys. That is what your divine wants you to know, and divine wants you to encourage you to keep moving forward. Okay, don't lose hope, don't give up. Okay, bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 2. If you chose this green gift box, then this is your reading with me for the messages from divine. So what your divine wants you to know. So group number 2, we have this green energy. Green energy is all about wealth, prosperity, happiness, right? So for some of you, you need to connect with Mother Earth Gaia, I'm getting. Okay, and I feel you need to appreciate yourself more. Okay, you're doing the work, appreciate yourself more. For some of you, you have a problem appreciating yourself. Okay, so yes, you're doing good work, good job, guys. Okay, so appreciate yourself more. Okay, yeah, for some of you, I feel you're taking care of your home also, you're doing career wise also. So appreciate yourself. There's nothing wrong in appreciating yourself. If you feel like, don't I'm getting this vibe, uh, instead of thinking when they will appreciate me, when will other people appreciate me, instead you appreciate yourself. Okay, the divine appreciates you for your work. Okay, you're doing very good. Don't be harsh on yourself. And yes, that is what I feel like. Let's see what else for my group number 2 who chose this gift box. What are the messages from the divine? Look, wow. Again, look at the colors, look at the blossoming card, look at the 33 number, right? We have a master number 33, and with this 33 is like your consciousness is expanding. You're connected to the divine. Okay, remember, even if you know or you don't know, you're connected to the divine. If you have if you have a creative passion, if you like music, if you are into something that is very creative, I feel that will blossom. Music, I'm getting this vibe, music, flower is all about happiness, right? So flower, I feel for many of you in your life, you are going to have that good smell, good vibes, I'm getting. So if you have gone through a period where if you have been working hard on something, if you have been working hard on your passion, if you have been hard on yourself, if you have been self-disciplined, you have been working very, very hard, getting up early, working on your craft, yes, you will blossom. You're gonna blossom. You're gonna reap your rewards. It's the time for abundance, I'm getting. It's time for money coming. Money is coming your way, wealth, happiness. That is what divine wants you to know. You have done your work. You have done a lot of good work. You're such a nice people. That is what I feel. And yes, it's time to reap your rewards. Okay, look at the flowers, look at the blossoming. This is so beautiful card, right? So yeah, it's time to blossom. So always be proud of yourself. That is what divine wants you to know right now. Be proud of who you are, be proud of yourself, and appreciate yourself. If you achieve a small step, in your life, appreciate yourself. Even if people are appreciating you or not, it doesn't matter. You need to appreciate yourself, and divine appreciates you. Okay, and music will help you a lot. I feel whenever you're in the stress energy, music will balance your energies. Okay, balance you a lot. I feel like that music will help you, guys. And if you like music, if you're working on music, yes, your music will bloom. Okay, so yeah, let's see what else for my group number 2 divine wants you to know. Your consciousness is expanding. I'm getting you very, very courageous people. Your inner strength is immense. So believe in yourself. Believe in your own creative things. Hope, right? I was talking about believing, and look at that. Hope, love, and acceptance. Love is yours. Recognize your divine worth. Choose loving thoughts. Look at that. Recognize your divine worth. What I was talking about, appreciating yourself more day by day. Appreciate yourself for who you are. you know, you are doing very very good things. Okay, connect with Mother Earth Gaia. You have a connection with Mother Earth Gaia. I feel like you're meant to, I feel for many of you, you have a lot of ideas that will, that will, yeah, you're meant to give birth to new ideas, right? And these ideas will give you a lot of progress in your life. So be hopeful about your work, about your relationship, whatever. If you want to get pregnant, be hopeful, guys. You are meant to give birth to new things in your life, new ideas, new relationships. Yeah, for some of you, new relationship will come your way. That is also, I'm getting good relationships. And for others, if you're in a creative field, yeah, new ideas, some unique ideas, take that ideas that will help you, and be hopeful. Okay, be hopeful, guys, and accept yourself the way you are. Don't try to change yourself because other people feel that you need to change. No, don't do that. And yeah, recognize your divine worth. You are connected to the divine. Be confident. Confidence is the key to success for you guys. I feel like that. Work on your solar plexus. I feel like for some of you, you have a fear of that, like getting this spotlight or something like that. Okay, yeah, don't be afraid of that. You're meant to shine. Okay, be proud of yourself. Be proud of your own work. That is what divine wants you to know. Let's see. Even if it's small, even if it's small, if you have done it, be proud of that. Okay, what else? Yeah, you're connected to the source. Look at the colors. We have again the yellowish orange, right? So you're connected to the source. You have a divine connection with the 33 numbers. You're very connected to the archangels, Archangel Michael, Archangel Ariel. For if you're in a creative field, I feel you need to connect more with Archangel Ariel. You will get a lot of ideas. They give you ideas. You're connected to the source. Just call upon them. You will get your answers. Meditate, relax, go in nature, relax, walk in nature. You will get all your ideas. Whatever you want to do in your life, you will get it from the divine. The divine loves you. A lot of inspirational ideas. If you have a passion, go for it. As I said, your passion is going to blossom. If you have, keep on working on it, because you will blossom a lot. You will get your success. You will reap your rewards. Okay, if you have been working a lot on it, yes, you will. So if you get an idea, just work on that idea. Don't let that idea go. Okay, don't let that inspiration go. Work on it, because that will give you a lot of success. Yeah, again, ideas, creativity, again, Empress energy, creativity, a lot of creative ideas, and this creative idea will give you the success. Okay, justice is going to be served for you, guys. So if in the past you felt that you didn't get the justice, you are going to get the justice. For some of you, as I said, you might get pregnant with this creativity. You might deliver a new idea or a baby, whatever it is. Something new is coming. New ideas, maybe something new business you might start, something new that will give you a lot of abundance, happiness, lot of success. Okay, yeah, justice is going to be served. Okay, yeah, that is what I feel like. Look at these two cards. Same vibes. Empress energy, I'm getting blossoming. You're very kind. You take care of other people. Now it's the time to take care of yourself. Okay, be kind to yourself, respect yourself more, take care of yourself more, eat healthy. Okay, and yes, get out of your comfort box. Okay, and do what you want to do. Take that idea, work on that idea. Even if other people don't feel that idea is good, don't care about them. You do that. Okay, just take, a lot of creative ideas I'm getting. Follow your passion. You have done a lot for other people. Now it's the time to do something for yourself. That is what I'm getting here. Be hopeful. Yes, your passion will become successful. Okay, yeah, look at the hummingbird. I'm like, hummingbird is all about the joy, happiness, a lot of happiness, lot of miracles you will see. That is what, if you're seeing hummingbirds, then this is like completely lot of joy, lot of happiness, because hummingbirds are like the joy bringers. You're the joy bringers. You bring happiness, positivity. You give that positivity, you give that happiness to other people. Now it's your time to shine. Now it's time to see the miracles. Okay, so for some of you, if you have you are going to get a breakthrough. You will have your success. That is what you're going to be so empowered. You will yeah, empowerment. You will, you know, I feel for many of you, you might have always you know, you have worked for other people, you have been working on their dreams, their hopes. If you are a mother, you have been working in a home, raising kids. Now you have a passion that you want to do, go for it. You will achieve the success you want. That is what I feel. Believe in yourself, you will see the miracles. When we believe in miracles, we see miracles, right? So that is what I feel for you guys. A lot of happiness, joy is coming your way. All you need to do is to take care of yourself, appreciate yourself more, and whenever you get an idea, just take note on that idea and work on that idea, because you're going to blossom like a flower. A lot of happiness, as I told you, right? Group number 2, bye bye, take care. So group number 3, if you chose this blue color gift box, then this is your reading with me. So let's see what are your messages from the divine for group number 3. For group number 3, I feel your intuition is very strong. For many of you, your third eye chakra might open. So if you're working on opening that, yes, it will open. You have for some of you, it's like your spiritual gift of clairvoyance. You can see very clearly, right? So if you're seeing something during meditation, maybe it's a message for you, okay? Yeah, so that is what I feel like. Your psychic abilities is very good, I feel like that. And trust your psychic abilities, I feel like that. Trust your intuition, that is what. And for many of you, you need to follow the spiritual path, okay? Even if for some of you, you're going through a very low period, I feel like. So just have a routine, like you wake up and just meditate, or just stay still for some time. Even if you don't want to work that day, take a break, but just meditate for at least 10 to 15 minutes, or listen to some good music, like that make you very that gives you a peaceful energy. So do that, okay? Take your time. No need to like, yeah, why I'm not able to get up from the bed, or don't think too much. Don't be harsh on yourself. Love yourself, okay? Take time. If you feel like you want a break today, just take that break. Don't be afraid to take break. You are not going to be, you know, sometimes we feel like we will be back in our work, or if you're students, if you want to study something and one day you take break, you know, like you will be back. But if you don't take that break, you will not be able to work properly, right? You will not have that motivation. So take that break, okay? That is coming here. Let's see what else for my group number 3. Yeah, you're going through growing pains. So yes, for some of you, it's like you are working on something, and at the same time, maybe you're putting your effort, you're putting your effort on something, and you want it to grow, but at the same time you're not seeing the outcome you want, right? So the first thing divine wants you to know, that is to detach from the expectation, detachment. Yeah, that is what you need to do right now. Yeah, it's tough. So when yeah, I know that really it's very tough to detach. Because when we work on something, we want it to grow, and at the same time we stress why it's not growing, why I'm not getting this much pay, or why I'm not able to get into that position, or why I'm not getting that much mark, whatever it is, you know. You have been trying, you have been working very hard, you are laying your foundation, so you want that. And divine wants you to know that you deserve it, but it will take time, because you're building your foundations, you're making your roots strong, okay? So take that time. Don't stress about the timing, okay? So when this will happen, maybe you are like, when will I reach my goals? Will I be able to reach my goals? When will this happen? When will that happen? So it's time to stop that. It's time to work on yourself. Like, it's time to keep working. Believe in yourself, believe in your path, because you are going correct, because you are like you are making your foundation stronger right now, okay? So it is little bit painful, but you will get there, okay? That is what divine wants you to know. So things are going to change for you guys. Keep on working, because I feel for this while you're on the right path. So don't doubt yourself. Maybe self-doubt is also a problem for you guys, but things are going to shift for you guys, okay? So don't be caught up on this timing thing. Everything will happen at the divine timing, okay? Let's see what else for group number 3. Yeah, okay, look. Yeah, you're going through a very you were going through a light dark Yeah, for this pile I feel you have been going through very emotionally you were feeling very low. I'm getting, maybe you were overthinking, where you were thinking why this is not working, why I'm not getting my success, everyone is getting success. So with this Arabis Bay, for many of you going through a spiritual awakening also I'm getting here. Okay, so believe in yourself, because there is light at the end of the tunnel, so you have to cross that tunnel. Okay, so don't give up, keep on working, because you're going to move towards light. And remember, in the darkest times we learn so many things, right? If every time it's a straight road, we will not learn, we will not grow. So you are growing, you're growing your consciousness, you're expanding you're making a connection with the divine. Like the snake, when the snake takes off its skin, it's tough, it's hard, it's painful, right? But when they take it take it out, they feel renewed. So that is what I feel. You will be you are going through a major shift. I feel for you guys, you are going through a major shift. You're feeling right now, I feel you are feeling very low, but you are going to be feeling very much better. Okay, you will be on the lightest, you will be okay. That is what I feel. You are going to be okay. Okay, so if you are going through a very low period, if you have that emotional problems, if you have been stressing a lot, if you don't feel like waking up, if you don't want, if you don't have the energy to do anything, you will get there, you will come out of that. Okay, you are growing, you're expanding, things will happen for you guys. Don't lose hope on yourself, because your divine wants you to know that, because these experiences will help you, for this pile what I feel is, you're going through a very dark period right now, and these experience, you will be sharing these experiences to other people also, and you will be making other people life easy also. So you have to go through these experiences in order, sometimes we have to do that. Maybe that is your sole purpose. You have to experience this in order, you know what I'm saying, because I feel this pile is like light workers. You're meant to have a spiritual path, you're meant to help people, so you have to go through this dark period. And spiritual awakening is sometimes very dark, it's low, it's alone, we feel lonely, we feel why this is not happening, we feel sometimes we can't even explain why we are feeling like that. And I know that is what I feel for you guys. But yes, you are moving towards a better side, you are moving away from that dark period. Okay, that's it, that's what I feel. Okay, what else for group number 3? Yeah, a lot of stress. Look at that. For many of you, you have a lot of responsibilities on your plate, and because of that you are very, very stressful. You have to do this housework, you have to go out, office, that responsibility, you have to take the kids responsibilities. So it's time to ask for help, and you cannot, remember, you cannot do everything by yourself. And for some of you, it's your own mental stress, that you are like thinking too much. So write it down. If you want to wake up, just write, take your journal or take your diary and write what things you have to do. Okay, don't, I feel for this pile you need to get out of your head. Okay, but yeah, I know sometimes it's very difficult, and that's why you're going through a very rough period right now. You will be out, okay, trust. Yeah, you're very aware. Look at the numbers, 7 7. I was talking about spiritual path, right? You're very aware what is not good, what is, you know that this is your stress, you know everything, you're you know everything, but then to your stress. So your divine wants you to know that yes, you are aware of everything, you know this is your stress, and you know that you are overthinking about things, and you know this is not reality, and you know that you will make it. Your intuition is so strong. So right now all you need to do is to detach yourself from the expectations you have put on yourself, and take slowly, meditate every day. Okay, for this pile I'm getting that only right now. Your message is that, yeah, it's a period where you have to, aloneness, it's not, aloneness is not about being lonely, it's about connecting with your higher self. It's you right now, all you need to do is to connect with your higher self. Take this time out, reflect on the things that you need to change in your life. I feel for this pile you know everything. All I need to say that is, Yes, you will be out of this, okay? You will be out of this dark period, okay? That's all. It's not be it's this is a good phase where you're connecting with yourself. So connect with yourself, connect with yourself instead of worrying, instead of stressing, okay? Connect with your own intuition, connect with your own awareness. You're so aware, you know everything, so connect with it instead of stressing. Instead of stressing, meditate, okay? You know, while manifesting also, manifestation is like we need to let go of the things we want. At the same time, we need to have that desire, and it's difficult, right? So so for you guys also, if you're manifesting something, if you think when will this happen, when will this happen, it will take more time. So let go of that thinking and just work. Keep that desire alive. you will you will get it. You will be okay. You will get it, okay? So this file is like a little bit, yeah. So your divine is saying it's time to be in the hermit mode, connect with yourself, let go of that stress, let go of that past, let go of that failures, and move into your true self. Understand you're powerful, connect with your own awareness. And look, we have this Buddha here, right? Isn't it beautiful here? You have so much of knowingness. You know things, who you are, what you want, but you worry. This worry will not help you. So connect with yourself. That is what is the message. Okay, so let's shuffle this last card. Okay, we have Sage of Higher Knowledge. Look at that owl. Again, with this aloneness, with this awareness, you are getting your answers, okay? Connect with your higher self, connect with the divine. You are getting your intuition. As I said, your intuition is so strong, right? Owl, like their vision is like they can move their head to 360-degree, so they can see everywhere, right? And they can see at night also, right? So yes, your third eye, your vision is so, you're going through a spiritual awakening. I feel like that you're going through a tough period right now. This will be over. You will be in the lightest, you will see the light, and you'll be aware. Your perception is going to change. You're going to get a lot of knowledge that you never know, a lot of wisdom, lot of understanding. Look at the number 3 also. You got 3 number is about connection with the divine, right? So yeah, a lot of understanding is coming your way. Your perception about things is going to change. Your awareness, you're going to get a lot of awareness about things. So yeah, so I feel for this, while you're going through a lot of like you emotionally, you're not feeling good right now, but you will be okay. Okay, just trust yourself, your intuition. Just do the spiritual practice, meditate, guys. Okay, that's it for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.